Hello everyone, today we're going to be unboxing and testing the Flatsons KMF1 Guitar Multi Effects Pedal. This pedal comes packed with 77 effects, 50 presets, 42 drum rhythms, and a built-in looper. This was sent to me by Flatsons, but all opinions are 100% my own. So first, inside the box, here is your user's manual, optional power adapter if you don't want to use batteries. Here's the main multi effects pedal. It looks modern in design with a sleek black and white color. So these are your two multifunctional foot switch. Here's your drum machine button. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 are your block select buttons. These 4 knobs just above it are your select and adjustment knob. Top left corner is your multifunctional button, which is your memory, stomp, and edit button. To the right of your LCD screen is your settings button, which you can use to enter or exit from the menu. And here is your upgraded 128 by 32 LCD screen. Here's your main control pedal that works as a expression or volume pedal, depends on different settings. Now looking at the back of the pedal, you got auxiliary in for connecting a phone or audio player to jam along with backing tracks, one guitar input where your instrument plugs in, headphone or main output, sends your signal to an amp, mixer, or audio interface, one USB port for firmware updates or connecting to your computer, one DC power input, it is standard 9 volts, and underneath there's a battery compartment that holds 6 AA batteries for portable use. Now let's go ahead and try all the preset effects of KMF1. pedal also features a guitar tuner, so just press the 2-foot switch left and right and it will go to guitar tuning mode. This pedal also has 42 drum rhythms. These range from rock and blues to funk and metal. You can adjust BPM and volume, making it a great practice tool. So after playing around with it for a week, I've gotta say it packs way more than you'd expect for the price. It's loaded with features and super beginner friendly, but it's still flexible enough for immediate players. If I had to point out a couple of things that could be improved, first would be the plastic build. It doesn't feel like it would hold up well to daily gigging or travel. Second, I wish it had a built-in power switch. It's something I'm used to from my older pedals, and it just makes things a bit more convenient. Overall, I like this pedal. It's good for home practice or small gigs, and this pedal holds its own really well. If you want to check this pedal out, I will leave a link in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.